Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll walk through a simple process to find the I2C addresses of two popular displays, the SSD1306 16x2 for old display and a 16x2 LCD, using a NodeMCU. To start, let's make sure we have everything connected properly. Here, we have the SSD1306 connected to the NodeMCU's SDA and SCL pins, which are D2 and D1. Similarly, we've connected the 16x2 LCD to the same pins, since both displays use the I2C protocol. Next, let's open the Arduino IDE on your computer. First, make sure you've selected the correct board, NodeMCU, and the correct port under Tools. Now, we'll install a simple I2C scanner sketch to help us find the addresses of both displays. You can find the I2C scanner code in the description below. Here's the I2C scanner code. It scans for devices connected to the I2C bus and prints their addresses in the serial monitor. The scanner will run, and in a few seconds, we'll see the I2C addresses of our connected devices. Here's the address for the SSD1306 display, 0x3C, and the address for the 16x2 LCD, 0x27. Now that we have the I2C addresses, we can use them in our projects to communicate with both displays. You'll need to specify these addresses in your code when initializing the displays. And that's it. We've successfully found the I2C addresses for both the SSD1306 and the 16x2 LCD using NodeMCU. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like the video, and share it with your friends. Drop a comment if you have any questions or need further help with your project. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.